What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today we're going to be talking about the spot price of silver climbing back up into the $23 an ounce range and some inflation news that we're getting from the latest CPI report. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Go and grab your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account, link in the description. And last but not least, come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for live streams multiple times a week. I'm actually going live tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, giveaways every single month, deal alerts every single day, and a whole lot more. Everything is linked in the description. But today is Wednesday, January 12th, 2022. The current spot price of silver, as I'm filming the video, is $23.02. It's up 25 cents, or up 1.1%. The spot price of gold, as I'm filming the video, is $18.2310. It's up $1.40, or up 0.08%. And the gold to silver ratio is in the 79 to 80 to 1 range. But again, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking quite a bit about silver and gold. But before we can even get into the money, I think we need to first talk about the currency. This morning, we finally got to see the latest CPI report for the month of December 2021. Last month, the Consumer Price Index, the inflation report. And I've been going through it. Remember, these reports are always 1 month behind, so this is for last month. And for context, if you remember the last report we got from November of 2021, the CPI for all items such as gas, food, shelter, vehicles, etc. showed that we had a month-over-month rise of 0.8% and 6.8% in the last 12 months. But now, as for this inflation report, we were expecting a 7% rise in the last 12 months. We were expecting it to be worse than the previous report, with a month-over-month rise of 0.4%. But by looking at the report, we can actually see that we ended up with the 7% in the last 12 months as expected, and 0.5% month-over-month, just a hair higher than expected. Now, this can be seen as both good news and bad news. It's bad news because inflation is continuing to surge. It's pretty evident. But it could be perceived as good news because it was pretty much right on the money, or should I say right on the currency, with expectations. Over the last few months, there has been a trend where we expect bad news and we get even worse news, which is not good. But this isn't perceived as too bad because it wasn't as bad as we expected it to be. Side note, does anyone else find it sad that we've gotten to a point where we're just expecting bad news, and then when we get it, we're just happy that it wasn't worse? It's ridiculous. But it's also perceived as potentially good news because this could be an indication that inflation might soon inflect in a downward direction. Remember, we still don't know 100% if inflation is as terrible as it's been, mainly due to all of the currency printing that they've been doing, or if supply chain issues are the primary component to blame. Obviously, it's both, but we don't know at the moment which one is causing more of the problem. Only time will tell, but in response to the report, the markets are so far so good. I mean, we have the S&P 500 up 0.67%. We have the Dow Jones up 0.48%. We have the NASDAQ up 0.94%. And as I've said in previous videos, I think we're soon going to be rotating out of tech and into value stocks. But considering the tech sector has been carrying the weight of the entire stock market for the last going on 2 years now, let's take a quick look at some tech giants. Tesla, which is tech on wheels, is up 2.76% today so far. Apple is up 1.05% today so far. And Amazon is up 0.79% today so far. Like I said, I believe we're going to be rotating out of tech stocks soon, but I have a very strong feeling Amazon is probably going to be an exception to that. And by the way, really quick, speaking of Amazon, like I said before, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. But if you refer 3 friends to the app this month, Webull is going to give you $150 worth of Amazon stock for free, guaranteed, with the possibility of winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock, once again, for free. There's a little invite button within the app. All you have to do is click it, send it to 3 friends. It's quite literally that simple. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Go get your money. Webull link in the description. But now, away from all that, I wanted to talk a little bit more about silver and gold. Mainly silver. Did anybody else notice how much silver jumped today while gold barely even moved at all? I mean, like I said before, silver's up 1.1%. Gold is up 0.08%. So not a whole lot of movement over there with the beautiful yellow metal. I have a little bit of gold right here, some gold backs. We have some gold coins and whatnot. But I wanted to primarily focus on silver today, up 1.1%. Silver is back in the $23 an ounce range. It's been sitting in the $22 an ounce range, and I was starting to think it might actually end up going even lower, which, by the way, would be a beautiful sight to see. But today, at least, every day is different. Today, silver's moving up over 1%. Not the biggest jump, not the biggest rise, not the biggest gain, but silver seems to be pretty happy with what the news was today so far. And I've been saying for the last over 4 years at this point that, yeah, of course I prefer the red days. I love the red days because I like to get even more money for my currency. I like to stack at a cheaper price. I like to get a better bang for my buck. We all do. But what's funny about silver moving in an upward direction or moving in a downward direction, according to the dollar bill price tag attached to it, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter too much to me what the currency price tag attached to the silver is, just because it's currency. The reason I put my currency into silver is to get away from the currency, so I'm not too worried about what the price tag is. I know what silver is capable of. I know how important silver is as a metal, and I'm trying to get away from the currency, which is why I'm moving more into the money. But what's funny about when the spot price goes up or when the spot price goes down, of course, you have people that want it to move in one direction. I prefer the red days so I can get more. Other people prefer the green days because maybe they're getting ready to cash out. Whatever the case may be, if silver moves up or if silver moves down, it makes some people happy, it makes some people angry. But the funny thing is, it's good news either way, because if the price goes down, you are able to acquire or accumulate more wealth for a cheaper entry fee. But if the spot price were to go up, it means the wealth that you do have becomes worth even more. In dollar bills, that is. It becomes more valuable and your net worth goes up. So what's funny about it is that, at least the way I see it, in my opinion, from my perspective, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I've ever said on this channel has ever been financial advice. But the way I see it is that whether spot price is moving up or whether spot price is moving down, I win either way. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Was the latest CPI report better or worse than you expected it to be? Did you think it was going to be far worse than was actually showed to us today? Did you expect this to be right around what the report was going to look like? Did you think it was going to be a lot better and this is bad news? Do you consider it to be bad news, but it could definitely be worse? That's kind of where I'm at right now. And of course, when it comes to the silver and the gold, what are your thoughts and what are your next couple of pickups going to be? Head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every single day. Subscribe to my second channel for new videos every week. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs in a ton of different designs. Link in the description. Of course, come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for live streams multiple times a week. Don't forget, I'm going live tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also do giveaways every single month. I also do deal alerts on silver and gold every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free, and there are a ton of other perks as well. VIP Club link in the description. And last but not least, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. Refer 3 friends this month, and Webull's going to give you $150 worth of Amazon stock for free, with the chance of winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock for free. All you have to do is click the little invite button. They have it right there conveniently in the app for you. Send it to 3 friends. Bing, bang, boom. It's quite literally that simple. Do not pass up on an opportunity. Go get your money. Go get your free stocks. Go get your free fractional share of Amazon. Webull link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? When it comes to the latest inflation report, the CPI report, was it better or worse than you expected? Was it pretty much right on par with what you thought it was going to be? Is it better? Is it worse? What are your thoughts? And what do you think the next inflation report coming out next month, which will be covering the data from January, this month of 2022, what do you think that's going to look like? And of course, when it comes to the silver and the gold, what are your thoughts on the spot price moving in an upward direction today, and what are your next couple of pickups going to be? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.